quickly filtered data from one or more table.
True.
They allow us to filter data. Filter means the extra filter mean, do you know the meaning of filter? Filtering means to extract data, chatna, data ko chatna. Means if you're having the record of 10, if you're having a table of 10 record, so if you want to extract 8 record on a certain category, so can you use form and report to filter the data, to extract the data? Let's see here. Okay, let's see here. I want to create a form using this query one. Okay, so I am just going to create 14 option. And what options are given? Report. Let's create a report. So as I am creating the report, am I able to extract the data here? Am I able to extract the data here?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
No, I have not extracted the data, beta. I have used all the data that is available in query one. See, I am having the data that is blank here, minimum, maximum. And in query one, I'm having all the information related to this. See, you can see here, minimum, maximum also we are getting. Every information we are getting here. Here, every same data I'm getting in the form of this report. This is report. Report of query one. We can rename it also. It is report, report view, layout view, design view. Okay. Vaishnavi Chandra, kindly mute your mic. Vaishnavi, who is speaking here?
Miss
Who is
Mohammad
speaking?
Asad.
Mohammad Asad.
Mohammad Asad.
Kindly mute your mic. Mohammed. Okay. So we cannot extract data when I will create this. When I'll create this report. Okay. This green color shows the report. Okay, and this yellow, red and white color shows form. So let's create a form also on the query one, on the basis of query one. So as I create the report, this time also I am not able to extract the data. I am getting the report of query one. Here is, this one is the symbol of report. This one, sorry, form, and this one is the symbol of report. Form and report. Here, am I able to extract the data? No. But as I want to create a form using this query, sorry, as I want to create a query using this query, that time, let's create it. Oh God. Create query. Where is query given? See children, I'm getting, why you are messaging again and again? I'm getting disturbed. Query, where is query? Here. So as I design a query, okay, so I'm having the option to extract the data. Extract the data on a certain condition. What will be the condition? The condition will be greater than, less than, or maximum, minimum. less than 50. Let's give from the keyboard. Criteria. Greater than 20. When I'll run, I can extract the data. End करना है आपको. And for all. Okay, so I can extract the data accordingly. So less than 20 is not here. Let's edit the query and give less than 80. Let's then give 60. Let's run it. So we can extract the data. Or we can filter the data from one or more table in query only. Okay. Now let's me show where it is given. Here in fourth, 1, 2, 3, fourth point, a query in, let's recall fourth point, you can see a query is used to retrieve selective data based on specific criteria from one and more table. Retrieve means extract the data or filter the data. Okay, form is not used to filter the data. Okay, when there is an option of filter the data, that time we will only give focus to the query. Okay, query only can filter the data. Now here in page number 55, you can see report are used to present data from table or query in a format that can be print printouts of report card and invoice are example of the report. Okay, you cannot make change the data in a report. You cannot make or filter or extract data from the report. Okay, now let's see the form also. A form provide an interface that allow user to enter, change and view data in the data sheet table. Form are made up of elements such as text box and label. Text box and labels. These elements are known as control. Okay. So here we cannot extract the data. We cannot filter the data. Okay. We can fill the extra information